Kuria Ijuma chitariki 13 mutijo ego kabere karibu sana mwancho muligerere wa Getembe TV ase Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabono Obaigwa iliane koruko Matildah Obaigwa karibu sana tunyara usanga senchira yobwamo ali Facebook ya mwasemo na boigo YouTube mo ase ya mochiwichana malio gichikoretwa sore nere Kevin Ongeri na hekirongo chaka kurwa serikali yanene murai ivwense Mosque William Ruto ni gobono anyarire gotogia ubuteneneri bwensemo gose bwekiombe ekiaga kan ase bono okwenana obukoreri obya ase chiwizara ime yense ya Kenya gakumurikira wizara yobocheno eri yechiseme na boigo na mwananda mwange buno bonchoreria nigo atebire kiombe gose aga kan nigo yabereke okorega CNN asense ya Kenya nigo anyara kwenana ekewo buchase Princess Zara Aga Khan ase okokendera nekia emerobelio na boigo bukoreri obya bocha ase aba Kenya.
We also look ahead to expanded collaboration in areas central to Kenya's transformation. We welcome your continued partnership in affordable housing program, a flagship initiative delivering safe and dignified homes, creating opportunities for work, stimulating industries, and widening opportunity for small enterprises. We also look forward to working closely with you on the Nairobi River Regeneration Initiative through the Climate Works program, which is already providing meaningful employment to thousands of young people while restoring ecosystems and building sustainable urban spaces. Your Highness, the people of Kenya hold you and the Imamat in profound respect. Today, we honor you not only for your leadership, but also for your friendship and partnership. We do so with confidence that the bonds between us will grow even stronger, advancing our shared pursuit of dignity, justice, and prosperity for our nation and for humanity. Thank you very much and congratulations again.
Mokonyi bomurai bwense Mosque kidire ekindiki ni gobono lituko ria rero anyara kora egikaro kyogokorera gusigio kurikiria mangana ye budget na boigo amagenero ime yense ya Kenya asigi karekyo kie emerongevere na kianda nigo bono kianyara kubwaterania abarai cross county nechinga kiecho nigo banyara gukwanira okogendera bwense ya Kenya anamono wetira ase chiwizara chonsi asibone gati yabari boikirana ase gikarekyo bare abagavana gete na anamono ekiombekeri kia abagavana imense ya Kenya.
Mine is to thank you and welcome you to this meeting, the 29th ordinary session of IBEC. Secondly, to note progress that we've made since the last meeting. I think in the past we have had issues around the rate at which decisions of IBEC are implemented. We've seen some progress. It's not enough. We need to do more, because this is a very high-level meeting with very high level officials from the three arms of government, from the two levels of government, and therefore there is no reason whatsoever why we should make decisions which take forever to be implemented. We have cabinet secretaries present, heads of independent institutions and commissions, and all of us are here. The COG is here, so I see no reason why we should not even do better. Secondly, as I have provided guidance before, this is a policy making organ of the. It's not a technical meeting. We don't dwell on technical issues because the law provides for how to transact with technical matters at different levels. We have technical groups where everybody is represented. So we will be very brutal with anything that takes us to technical issues. We will be extremely uncooperative, because this is not the forum. And for that reason, we intend to take a very short period of time. But having said that, I am grateful for. But we've had a sticker issue around access to bursary funds, and I think there is progress made so far. Some counties are accessing.
Gutigana nayo mwanjo murigereria umurai wi kiama kia Wiper mwanjo murigereria gutigana nayo nigo bono ekiombe kiri kia ba governor gusigia council of governors bono banyarire kwerera igati yemichando chi county ime ENC ya Kenya chi koba chi wetera anemono ase sector eri yobocheno chinga kiecho nigo batebire nonye serikali kegenderete gusigita okokora buya kumuroberi bwo wene osha nigo bono chi county chigenderete gutwara oboremero ne chinga kiecho nigo bono nyari gukwanira igati chi county chiri cyaberi chigosira bali batari kumenyara haso wakana gusaso kubakanira chibesa chiasha.
However, there still persists certain challenges which we have previously raised. We appreciate the position that this is not a technical working group discussion, but we just want to highlight from the Council's perspective what these challenges continue to be. Number one, unpredictable payment of PHC and SHIF funds. Though there was a commitment to pay by the 14th of every month, it's not happening, and especially for PHC, some of the counties have not received their funding from us. I think the last being September in some case or October in others. So we'd want SHA to provide a predictable payment schedule for unpaid claims directly to counties, so that there's some predictability into this arrangement. Notwithstanding the issue of account details and other paperwork issues, the issue of rejection of legitimate claims being flagged off as fraud persists. Maternity services are no longer free. It's more fragments, access is restrictive, limiting care and its affordability, and this will probably be taken in line together with the issue that we raised in summit, which he promised to intervene on through the PHC funds, of paying for deliveries at the level 2 and level 3. There are also system and network failures that affect service provision and claim processing, especially in places where internet is weak.
Na gutigana nayo mwancho murigire murai wikiama kia Wiper Patriotic Front omusike Kalonzo Musyoka nigobono anyare kuboria ekiombe kelegete nenerete wochori ne chimbebe aigasensi ya Kenya ekiombe kia IEBC Kenya reko yaligania egenkyo elio kubwaterania ekura ya Kenya bamenyete Chinsa cha Michael animona sobochori obonene bolebosyo nigo atebire abakenya bange bono nigo bachire kusebachire koligia emiremo na babolire tibanyara gutigwa magega chingaki chiobochori.
Wakenya kule wanasema watafutiwe sio tu aende kupiga kura kwa ofisi za ubalozi wetu Washington, lakini ukiangalia kwamba Kenyans are in excess of 300,000. Over 300,000 Kenyans live in the United States alone. Ukiangalia Kenyans in the diaspora wanakaribia 500,000. Hiyo ni nchi nzima iko kule, na nchi ambayo iko na haki kuhusishwa kwa mipangilio ya nchi yao. We promise them as much that we will not leave them behind. They'll be part and parcel of what is happening at home. Kwa mfano, they said they need polling stations in Atlanta, Georgia, in Ohio, in Washington, D.C., where there's a concentration of Kenyans. And this one, of course, this one we are giving over to Nambia watu wa IBC. warekebishe mara moja. It's important, it's very important, because last election in 2022, I think less than 10,000 Kenyans voted from the diaspora. This time, I don't think there will be less than 100,000. Wale ambao watapiga kura. Ukiangalia Kenyans work in these international airlines. Ile ndege tumekuja nayo kwa mfano Emirates, the passer ni Kenyan, and the stewards also, those serving all of us were mainly Kenyans. Kenyans are everywhere. Ukiangalia Qatar Airways is the same. Those are the ones who are properly in place. They are very concerned about slave labor, which this administration has been fostering. Very
na omwaziri wobokoreri ase serikali gusamagana public service omosike Geoffrey Ruku nigobono anyari gukana buna ikirugo kyomukonyi bomuraye bwense nge konyara koba kusenge konyara gutigwa bosa asobucholi bomwaka bwechirubere 2022 nigo atebire nonye ODM tekonyara koyogwa libaga gose tekonyara ko wanjiro ko imokie kirugo kyobokonyi bomuraye bwense asobucholi obonene buli bosyo nekiratebire nonyo kubwaterana ase serikali na ODM nigo bono barachikwana na libaga likirugo kyomuraye bwense nabo yokirikyo mokonyoe ase omwaka bwechirubere 2022.
Senator Omburu amejitokeza akasema chama cha ODM inataka kiti ya naibu wa rais come 2027. Sisi tunataka kuambia namna hii tukiwa hapa katika ikona ya mlima. Chama ya ODM tumekubali tuko katika broad based government. Na tutafanya katika serikali ya Mheshimiwa William Ruto tukiwa broad based government, tukiwa tumeshikana kuendeleza umoja wa taifa letu na kuhakikisha kwamba serikali ya Kenya inafanyia wananchi wa Kenya kazi sawa sawa. Lakini Mheshimiwa Profesa Kithure Kindiki, huyo ndiye naibu wa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya kwa sasa. Huyo ndiye atakuwa naibu wa rais wa Kenya 2027 kuelekea 2032. Kama ODM inataka kiti ya naibu wa rais, tuko tayari kuwapatia kiti ya naibu wa rais come 2032 wakati Profesa Kithure Kindiki atakuwa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Tutatafuta mmoja wao wa chama cha ODM akuwe naibu wa rais 2032. Lakini kwa sasa kiti ya naibu wa rais, it is not vacant. 2027 kiti ya naibu wa rais itakuwa na kijana wetu Profesa Kithure Kindiki. Chama cha ODM, tafadhali Senator Omburu Ondinga, tunakwambia tuko tayari kwenda safari moja na ODM 2032. Tutawapatia hiyo kiti.
Wancho murigire asengane yo senkona yaye omosike Geoffrey Ruku na otokore Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabona maro bakurende ayona na mange yenyorera senchira engikirano gekuraga Chinsa ibere nabwo Chinsa nyecheritko oria rero maragoba narachikoretwa sore nere Aaron ototo korenda soboniga tubasaguska kiagera emerobere bosyo nemerobere obwanjete ayebuna umurigiriria obutambe bwegetaseni kia Getembe TV nchenkoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa twara amariganio yesabato are amayana wigo weekend yawe kiroko yichaka enyare koba eyama sisene.